October 15th through the 21st is National Teen Driver Safety Week, and as part of the Sinas Dramis Law Firm's Know Your Law campaign, we have with us Lansing attorney Katie Tucker here to talk about keeping teenage drivers safe on the roadways.
There's been a crackdown in recent years on distracted driving, and especially using a phone while driving. So when it comes to cell phones, are there special rules for teens specifically?
Yes, there are special rules that apply to teens when it comes to cell phone use. Studies show that most car crashes involving distracted driving involve a teen driver age 15 to 19. And that is one reason that Michigan is fairly strict when it comes to teen drivers and cell phones. In addition to the general prohibition against texting while driving, which applies to drivers of any age, Michigan has a special restriction for teen drivers who hold a level 1 or a level 2 driver's license, which is commonly referred to as a learner's permit. And that restriction is that there is no cell phone use permitted at all while behind the wheel. So that includes initiating a phone call or answering a phone call. So it is a fairly restrictive prohibition.
What if a teenage driver causes an accident? Is the owner of that vehicle then liable?
Yes, if a teen driver is at fault for a crash, then the owner of the vehicle, which of course in most cases is a parent, may be liable for any damages that are not covered by insurance. And speaking of insurance, it's incredibly important for parents who have a teen driver to add their teen driver to their auto insurance policy, even if their teen driver only has a learner's permit. And the reason for that is that if a teen driver is involved in a car accident and has not been added to the policy, the insurer may actually deny coverage for any injuries that they've sustained.
Wow.
Yes, and in addition, failing to add your teen driver to your auto insurance policy can actually constitute insurance fraud, which could result in voiding your coverage or rescission of your coverage.
Wow.
So, yeah,
Okay.
so very critical that parents add their teen driver. If you haven't already, please do call your insurance agent or your insurance company today to do that.
And we all know that drinking and driving and using drugs and driving is illegal for all drivers, but are there any additional laws that apply to teen drivers?
Yes, there are. Michigan has what's called a zero tolerance law when it comes to teen drivers or drivers actually under age 21. And what that basically means is that if a teen is caught driving after consuming alcohol, they actually can risk losing their license altogether or face other very serious penalties to include restrictions on their driver's license or points on their driving record, which of course affects insurance rates, or be required to pay a monetary fine or do community service. In addition, actually, even just having alcohol in your vehicle, if a teen is found to have alcohol present in their vehicle while driving, they may also risk losing their license.
Wow.
Give Sinas Dramis a call. The number's on your screen. Thank you, Katie.